Hey everyone, the global gaming communities are buzzing with excitement following Nintendo's recent confirmation of plans to reveal the Switch's successor, with Nintendo President Shuntaro Furukawa declaring that the next system will be unveiled by the end of March 2025. Gamers are excited to see what new features and advancements the company's upcoming gaming generation will offer. It says a lot about Nintendo's strategy that the Switch successor will be unveiled independently of the next Nintendo Direct event in June. In an effort to control expectations and make sure fans aren't let down when details on the upcoming system are withheld, Nintendo has decided to limit the scope of the June presentation to software upgrades for the current Switch platform. Rumors surrounding the new console, often referred to as Switch 2, are adding fuel to the excitement. Speculations about innovative Joy-Con-style controllers that magnetically attach to the console have gamers intrigued, although official specifications are yet to be released. This anticipation for new features and experiences is emblematic of the enthusiasm and loyalty Nintendo has cultivated among its fan base over the years. Financially, Nintendo's performance for the fiscal year 2024 has been robust, with impressive sales figures for the Switch console. However, the company anticipates a slight decline in hardware sales for the current fiscal year, attributing it to the natural product lifecycle and market dynamics. Nevertheless, Nintendo remains optimistic about its software offerings, expecting to sell 165 million software units with highly anticipated titles like Paper Mario: The Thousand-Year Door and Luigi's Mansion 2 on the horizon. Nintendo's commitment to transparency and innovation shines through in these developments, showcasing their dedication to delivering exceptional gaming experiences while navigating the evolving landscape of the gaming industry. As fans eagerly await further updates and the eventual unveiling of the Switch successor, anticipation continues to build, setting the stage for a new era of Nintendo gaming excellence. Nintendo's shares closed up 2.4% ahead of its earnings report, showcasing strong investor confidence in the company's future despite uncertainties related to the transition to next-generation hardware. This positive market response indicates the widespread anticipation and excitement surrounding Nintendo's upcoming releases and innovations. Global gamers have been captivated by the formal announcement of the Switch replacement, which is expected to be released in the current fiscal year. With Nintendo's history of creating groundbreaking gaming experiences, gamers are anxious to learn more about the upcoming system. The increase in Nintendo's share value is a reflection of both consumer excitement for the upcoming Nintendo game evolution and investor confidence in the company's capacity to handle changes and obstacles. Nintendo's standing as a major contributor to providing cutting-edge and immersive gaming experiences is unwavering as the gaming industry develops, inspiring hope among both investors and enthusiasts. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and God bless you.